Hey guys, this is Fundo on One Show Paramo. Tonight on Uzalo. Lily becomes scared when Wanda tells her that he wants her stuff back. And Lily tells her mother that Wanda wants her to steal the drugs on the police stage. But Lily is scared to be arrested and fired on work. Her mother tells Lily that he must not start it while Lily wants to do this time. Njeza towards Kanyisa and Matongwe becomes scared when Njeza carrying the gun. He was not expecting that the house has a gun and Kulego wants to find Wanda and kill him. While Sbo become a boss and the owner of Kwanjomane. Pastor Pastor Mbacha wants Mama Mfundisi continue after got disappointed by a lady who was looking to be a Mama Mfundisi. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.